Paul is in Ocean. Is it? I know it's not Ocean Slice. Ocean Ice? I think it's a typo. Where are you from, Paul?
Oceanside.
Oceanside. There's a C where the D should be. I got it. Hi, Paul.
Hi, how are you, Leo?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I've got a question for you regarding the iPad. I run a division with 8 technicians. They all have iPads and iPhones, and they need to enter data in the field. I'm looking for an app or software that'll allow me to make a fillable form that can be used on the iPad, where the guys can just pick and choose from random choices that are already a part of the form.
Yeah, a custom form.
Yes.
So there used to be, we'd recommend FileMaker for this kind of stuff. I wonder if FileMaker still has their iPad. Let me go check. It's a database program that allows you to do custom databases, and then you can have a custom form that you'd fill in on your iPad. And they have the app on the iPad is called FileMaker Go. So the advantage of doing it this way is you'd have a database on your desktop that they'd be communicating with, and that's what you want. You want all that stuff in one place, and then they'd use FileMaker Go on their iPhone or their iPad to fill in the data.
Okay, so it's FileMaker Go.
Yeah, but you need the FileMaker desktop app as well. So go to FileMaker.com and you can actually see the solution. This has been around for ages, and they've done a good job. I'm sure there are others that will do something like this, but boy, FileMaker is kind of the king of the hill on this. The other advantage of using FileMaker is there are third-party FileMaker people who can design this for you if you don't want to take the time to do it.
Oh yeah, I can find those on like Odesk.
Odesk? I'm sorry. Say that again.
Yeah, well, never mind. It's a third party.
So, like, there's guys who are customizers.
Okay.
So, yeah, I don't know Odesk, but there are guys who are customizers who will then say, oh, yeah, what do you want? Custom solution? No problem. We'll do it in FileMaker. FileMaker's excellent. I'm sure there are others choices, and if people in the chat room or listening want to call and suggest others, that'd be great. What you need, obviously, is a desktop app because you're going to have a database of this stuff the techs fill in. You need some central place to store that. And then with that, you'd have iPad and iPhone solutions, and ideally custom form with your company's name, and they tap buttons and they fill out stuff. That would be great. It's a really powerful program. I haven't used it in years, and I'm glad to see that they've kept it up to date. FileMaker.com. Yeah, I'll give you an idea of how long it's been around. Their current version is FileMaker 14. Wow. Bruce, Los Angeles, Leo Laporte, the tech guy. Hey, Bruce.
Yes, coming.
By the way, while Bruce is coming to the phone, somebody pointed out, of course, you could use Google Docs, couldn't you? So Google Docs lets you create forms, fillable forms on the web that you could, actually, that's a free solution that would be pretty nice. So, in fact, you see this a lot. People will give you surveys and so forth using Google Docs, which is free. So you could have you'd have your text surf to that website on Safari, fill it out, save it, and then you have access to it at the office immediately. That's another good way to go. Google Docs. Thank you. Great solution.